Thanks for watching my video. This one is one day of driving in Murphy, North Carolina. I don't usually post these videos, but here it goes. So pulling up to a stop sign, I wait for one Charger to turn so the deputy sheriff in the Charger across the way, not using his turn signal, can make his turn. If that were you not using your turn signal, you'd get a ticket. So here we are on a back road. Maximum speed limit is 40 miles an hour. You see a black SUV pull out and then a white car. And then we're driving. "40 miles an hour. If you look at the white car in the right, the white car passes the black SUV. Now the road rage happens and they start chasing each other. And wait for it, wait for it. Oh, the black SUV was a deputy sheriff. Busted. Sitting at the red light at Lowe's. Some guy decides he's got to get to the casino, blows the red light.